Imagine this. The clock is ticking on your deadlines, and with each passing moment, a chance to grow your business slips away. You're not just spending time on marketing, you're losing it. Time that could be better spent perfecting your service, expanding your business, or simply being with loved ones. DIY marketing might seem like a cost-saving shortcut, but it's a trap. With every minute you dedicate to figuring out marketing on your own, you're stepping away from what truly matters: your growth, your passion, your expertise. Let Creative Edge consultants manage your marketing. Reclaim your time, focus on what you do best, and watch your business soar. With us, you're not just getting marketing expertise, you're getting your edge. Don't let DIY marketing hold you back. It's time to break free from the DIY trap. Trust Creative Edge consultants and take the first step towards a brighter future for your business. Get your edge with Creative Edge consultants.